Welcome to this guide on how to use WordPress. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to enhance your skills, this tutorial will provide you with everything you need to know to create and manage a successful WordPress website. Please note that this tutorial will provide a basic idea of what is WordPress and how to use it. We did not cover in detail every option as that will take too much time. WordPress is a free and open source content management system, CMS, that powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. It's easy to use, versatile, and highly customizable, making it an ideal choice for businesses, bloggers, and individuals alike. In this guide, we'll cover everything from installing WordPress and customizing your website to creating content, using plugins, and optimizing your site for search engines. We'll also explore advanced customization options and provide tips for troubleshooting common issues. So whether you're just starting or looking to take your WordPress skills to the next level, this guide has something for you. Let's get started. Getting started with WordPress. WordPress. It is easy to use, versatile, and highly customizable, making it an ideal choice for businesses, bloggers, and individuals alike. The first step to using WordPress is to install it. You can do this through your web hosting provider's control panel or by downloading the software from WordPress.org. If you're installing WordPress through your web hosting provider, simply log into your control panel and look for the WordPress installer. Follow the prompts and provide the necessary information to complete the installation process. If you're downloading WordPress from WordPress.org, you'll need to upload the software to your web hosting account using an FTP client or file manager. Once the files are uploaded, you can visit your website's URL to start the installation process. Once WordPress is installed, you can start customizing your website. WordPress comes with a variety of pre-built themes and templates that you can choose from. You can also install third-party themes and plugins to enhance the functionality and appearance of your website. Installing WordPress. Now that you have a basic understanding of what WordPress is and how it works, let's dive into the installation process. There are two main ways to install WordPress: through your web hosting provider's control panel, by downloading the software from WordPress.org. Most web hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress installation feature. This is the easiest and most convenient way to install WordPress. To install WordPress through your web hosting provider, simply log into your control panel and look for the WordPress installer. The location of the installer may vary depending on your hosting provider. Once you have found the WordPress installer, click on it and follow the prompts. You will need to provide some basic information, such as the domain name you want to install WordPress on and the username and password you want to use for your WordPress account. Installing WordPress by downloading the software from WordPress.org. If your web hosting provider does not offer a one-click WordPress installation feature, you can download the software from WordPress.org and install it manually. To download WordPress from WordPress.org, visit the WordPress website and click on the Download WordPress button. Once the WordPress software has been downloaded, you will need to upload it to your web hosting account using an FTP client or file manager. Once the files are uploaded, you can visit your website's URL to start the installation process. My opinion is to use WordPress.com or GoDaddy.com. If you want to know how to install WordPress on different hosting providers, please check the description of the video. I will put videos on how to install WordPress on multiple hosting providers. I have also put a video in the description about how to upload a WordPress site and install it with FTP access. Once WordPress is installed, you can start customizing your website. WordPress comes with a variety of pre-built themes and templates that you can choose from. You can also install third-party themes and plugins to enhance the functionality and appearance of your website. In the next section, we'll cover how to customize your WordPress website. Customizing your website. Once WordPress is installed, you can start customizing your website. WordPress comes with a variety of pre-built themes and templates that you can choose from. You can also install third-party themes and plugins to enhance the functionality and appearance of your website. Choosing a theme. The first step to customizing your website is to choose a theme. WordPress comes with a variety of free and premium themes to choose from. You can browse themes in the WordPress directory or search for third-party themes on websites like ThemeForest. When choosing a theme, it's important to consider the following factors: the type of website you're creating. There are themes designed for specific types of websites, such as blogs, businesses, and online stores. The features you need. Some themes come with more features than others. Consider the features that are important to you, such as custom widgets, social media integration, and e-commerce support. The design, choose a theme that you like the look and feel of. You can always customize the design later, but it's important to start with a theme that you're happy with. Installing a theme. Once you've chosen a theme, you can install it by going to Appearance and then Themes in your WordPress dashboard. Click on the Add New button and then search for the theme you want to install. Once you've found the theme, click on the Install button. WordPress will download and install the theme. Once the installation is complete, click on the Activate button. You can also upload a theme from a website like ThemeForest. Customizing your theme. Once your theme is activated, you can start customizing it to make it your own. There are a variety of ways to customize your theme, including using the theme customizer. The theme customizer allows you to change the colors, fonts, and layout of your theme. You can access the theme customizer by going to Appearance Customize in your WordPress dashboard. Adding widgets. Widgets are small blocks of content that you can add to your sidebar or other areas of your website. WordPress comes with a variety of built-in widgets, and you can also install third-party widgets. Installing plugins. Plugins are extensions that can add new features and functionality to your WordPress website. There are thousands of plugins available, so you can find plugins to do almost anything you can imagine. In the next section, we'll cover how to create content in WordPress. Stay tuned! Creating content. The core purpose of a website is to provide content. In WordPress, you can create and publish different types of content, including blog posts, pages, and custom post types. Each piece of content you create can be customized with text, images, videos, and other elements. Now that you have your WordPress website customized, it's time to start creating content. WordPress allows you to create a variety of different types of content, including blog posts. Blog posts are individual articles that appear on your website's blog page. They can be used to share news, updates, and other information with your audience. Pages. Pages are standalone pieces of content that are not part of your blog. They can be used to create about pages, contact pages, and other static content. Custom post types. Custom post types allow you to create your own custom content types. For example, you could create a custom post type for products, events, or testimonials. Creating a blog post. To create a blog post, go to Posts and then Add New in your WordPress dashboard. The WordPress editor will appear. Here you can add a title and content to your blog post. You can also add images, videos, and other media to your post. Once you're finished writing your post, click on the Publish button to publish it to your website. Creating a page. To create a page, go to Pages and then Add New in your WordPress dashboard. The WordPress editor will appear. Here you can add a title and content to your page. You can also add images, videos, and other media to your page. Once you're finished writing your page, click on the Publish button to publish it to your website. In the next section, we'll cover how to manage your WordPress website. Managing your website. To keep your website running smoothly, it's important to manage it effectively. WordPress provides a user-friendly dashboard where you can update content, add users, manage plugins, and perform other essential tasks. Regular maintenance, including security updates and backups, is crucial to ensure the integrity and performance of your website. Updating content. To update content on your WordPress website, simply go to the Posts or Pages section in your dashboard. You can then click on the title of the post or page you want to update. The WordPress editor will appear. Here, you can make changes to the title, content, and other settings of your post or page. Once you're finished making changes, click on the Update button to publish your changes. Adding users. To add a new user to your WordPress website, go to Users and then Add New in your dashboard. The WordPress user editor will appear. Here you can add the username, email address, and role of the new user. Once you're finished adding the new user, click on the Add New User button. Managing plugins. To manage plugins on your WordPress website, go to Plugins and then Installed Plugins in your dashboard. The WordPress Plugin Manager will appear. Here, you can activate, deactivate, or delete plugins. You can also update plugins by clicking on the Update Now button. Performing maintenance. Regular maintenance is crucial to keep your WordPress website running smoothly. Some of the most important maintenance tasks include updating WordPress. WordPress releases regular updates to fix bugs and improve security. It's important to keep your WordPress installation up to date. Updating plugins. Plugins can also release updates to fix bugs and improve security. It's important to keep your plugins up to date. Backing up your website. In case of an emergency, it's important to have a backup of your website. There are a number of plugins available that can help you back up your website. In the next section, we'll cover how to create a blog in WordPress. Creating a blog. Blogging is a powerful way to engage with your audience and share valuable information. WordPress makes it incredibly easy to create a blog and publish regular content. You can categorize your posts, add tags, and optimize them for search engines to increase their visibility. Blogging is a powerful way to engage with your audience and share valuable information. WordPress makes it incredibly easy to create a blog and publish regular content. Creating a new blog post. To create a new blog post, go to Posts and then Add New in your WordPress dashboard. The WordPress editor will appear. Here you can add a title and content to your blog post. You can also add images, videos, and other media to your post. Once you're finished writing your post, click on the Publish button to publish it to your website. Customizing your blog. You can customize the look and feel of your blog by going to Appearance and then Customize in your WordPress dashboard. The WordPress Theme Customizer will appear. Here, you can change the colors, fonts, and layout of your blog. You can also add widgets to your blog's sidebar. Promoting your blog. Once you've created some great content, it's important to promote your blog so that people can find it. There are a number of ways to promote your blog, including social media. Share your blog posts on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Email marketing. Create an email list and send out regular newsletters to your subscribers. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your blog posts for search engines so that they can be found by people who are searching for information on your topic. In the next section, we'll cover how to use plugins to enhance the functionality of your WordPress website. Using plugins. Plugins are extensions that enhance the functionality of WordPress. There are thousands of plugins available, ranging from simple contact forms to complex e-commerce solutions. Installing and activating plugins is a convenient way to add new features to your website without having to write code. Plugins are extensions that can add new features and functionality to your WordPress website. There are thousands of plugins available, so you can find plugins to do almost anything you can imagine. To install a plugin, go to Plugins and then tap Add New in your WordPress dashboard. The WordPress plugin directory will appear. Here, you can search for plugins by keyword or browse through the different categories. Once you have found a plugin that you want to install, click on the Install Now button. WordPress will download and install the plugin. Once the installation is complete, click on the Activate button. Once a plugin is activated, you can configure its settings by going to Settings, and then the plugin name in your WordPress dashboard. Some of the most popular WordPress plugins include Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is a plugin that helps you optimize your website for search engines. W3 Total Cache. W3 Total Cache is a plugin that helps you improve the performance of your website. Contact Form 7. Contact Form 7 is a plugin that allows you to create contact forms for your website. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a plugin that allows you to create an online store. In the next section, we'll cover how to optimize your WordPress website for search engines. SEO optimization. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for driving traffic to your website. WordPress provides built-in SEO tools and features, such as customizable URLs, meta descriptions, and header tags. By optimizing your content and website structure, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. This can help you attract more traffic to your website and improve your chances of converting visitors into customers. WordPress provides a number of built-in SEO features and tools. These features can help you optimize your website's title tags, meta descriptions, and header tags. You can also use WordPress plugins to further optimize your website for search engines. Some of the most popular WordPress SEO plugins include Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is a comprehensive SEO plugin that helps you optimize your website for search engines. All-in-One SEO Pack. All-in-One SEO Pack is another popular SEO plugin that offers a wide range of features. Rank Math. Rank Math is a newer SEO plugin that has quickly gained popularity. It offers a number of powerful features, including keyword tracking and schema markup. Here are some tips for optimizing your WordPress website for search engines. Use keyword-rich titles and meta descriptions. Your title tags and meta descriptions should include relevant keywords that people are searching for. Use header tags. Header tags help to structure your content and make it easier for search engines to understand. Optimize your images. Make sure to add alt tags to your images. Alt tags provide a description of the image, which can help search engines index it. Create high-quality content. Search engines love high-quality content. Make sure to create content that is informative, engaging, and well-written. Build backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites to your website. Backlinks can help to improve your website's authority and ranking in search engine results pages. In the next section, we'll cover how to use WordPress to create an online store, e-commerce with WordPress. If you want to sell products or services online, WordPress can be transformed into a powerful e-commerce platform. You can install WooCommerce, a free plugin, to add shopping cart functionality, product management, and payment processing capabilities to your website. Installing WooCommerce. To install WooCommerce, go to Plugins and then tap Add New in your WordPress dashboard. Search for WooCommerce and click on the Install Now button. Once the installation is complete, click on the Activate button. Configuring WooCommerce. Once WooCommerce is activated, you will need to configure it. You can do this by going to WooCommerce and then Settings in your WordPress dashboard. The WooCommerce settings page is divided into several tabs. The most important tabs are General. This tab contains the general settings for your WooCommerce store, such as the store name, address, and currency. Products. This tab contains the settings for your products, such as the product categories, tags, and shipping options. Payments. This tab contains the settings for your payment gateways. Shipping. This tab contains the settings for your shipping methods. Adding products. To add a product to your WooCommerce store, go to Products and click on Add New in your WordPress dashboard. The WordPress editor will appear. Here, you can add a title and description to your product. You can also add images, videos, and other media to your product. Once you're finished adding your product, click on the Publish button to publish it to your website. In the next section, we'll cover how to customize your WordPress website using advanced techniques. Advanced customization. While WordPress is beginner-friendly, it also offers advanced customization options for experienced users. You can create custom themes, write custom code, and integrate your website with other applications. This level of flexibility allows you to tailor your website to your specific needs and create truly unique experiences. Creating a custom theme. To create a custom theme, you need to create a directory for your theme in the /wwp content/themes/directory. You can then add your theme files to this directory. The following files are required for a WordPress theme. Style CSS. This file contains the CSS styles for your theme. Functions PHP. This file contains the PHP code for your theme. Index.php. This file is the main template file for your theme. You can also add additional files to your theme, such as header.php. This file contains the header for your theme. Footer.php. This file contains the footer for your theme. Sidebar.php. This file contains the sidebar for your theme. Once you have created your theme files, you can activate your theme by going to Appearance and then Themes in your WordPress dashboard. Writing custom code. If you want to add custom functionality to your WordPress website, you can write custom code. You can add custom code to your theme's functions, PHP file, or to a separate plugin file. To add custom code to your theme's functions, PHP file, simply open the file and add your code to the bottom of the file. To create a separate plugin file, create a new file in the /WP content /plugins /directory. The file name should end with PHP. You can then add your code to the plugin file. Once you have written your custom code, you need to activate your plugin or theme to make it work. Integrating with other applications. WordPress can be integrated with a variety of other applications, such as CRM systems, email marketing platforms, and social media networks. To integrate WordPress with another application, you can use a plugin or a custom code solution. There are a number of plugins available that allow you to integrate WordPress with popular applications. For example, the WPF Forms plugin allows you to create contact forms for your website, and the WooCommerce plugin allows you to create an online store. If you want to integrate WordPress with an application that does not have a plugin, you can use a custom code solution. Congratulations on completing this comprehensive guide on how to use WordPress. You now have the knowledge and skills to build and manage a successful website. Remember to explore the vast resources available online and continue learning about WordPress to unlock its full potential. Whether you're starting a blog, building an online store, or simply creating a personal website, WordPress is an incredible platform that will empower you to achieve your goals. Thank you for watching.